up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So ladies and gentlemen, right now, my G's, you don't know we're there and it's the next day, so it's the next vlog. Right now, I'm there, I'm in my room, you don't know my big Jamaican flag. If you live a foreign, you have to have a Jamaican flag somewhere in the house. You need for that somewhere in the house, you know what I mean? But right now, today, I think I'm gonna make, well, a night now, Thursday night now, I want to do the vlog here. I'll upload it for tomorrow Friday, because I miss a day this week, so I'm gonna upload some phone. I want to make an Ackee pizza right now. I did do an Ackee pizza last time. I remember the picture go viral, be people take the picture and I put it up on the side, then make it, but me personally never care, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. But right now I'm gonna make a next Ackee pizza. I buy the crust for the pizza, but I end up get the wrong crust. Cause I have a app on my phone when I grocery shop, like me just order whatever I order and somebody go in the store go pick up what I order and me just pay for it and then bring it come. Yeah, me I run one of them there right now, so me do that, but me did click the wrong pizza crust. So the one that come is like 3 little small ones, so me go use that and I probably just do some fries. So me probably make two small pizza. Cause Travis downstairs, Travis up on level make day night. So me probably just do that. That's it probably. Just pizza and some fries and we just chill and enjoy the evening. You know what I mean? Mad move, everything. Hello?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So vlog world right about now, my G's, you know what I mean? Me there and I just take out the pizza out of there. Yeah, I just take out the pizza them out of the oven. Pizza done, fries done. I'm gonna make like a chipotle sauce. You understand? See everything, yeah? So let's go. One whole pizza me I eat. One whole of them. One Travis over there in the cut.
Hi guys!
Yeah, come and play it. You know what I mean? So I mess up this morning because I did the Ackee pizza. The pizza when I did for buy a different crust. And I buy the small one. With the Hennessy, Illusion drop with the Hennessy, so no, check out that. The buzzer just ring like a while. And me about to taste some of the fries with the chipotle sauce, you know what I mean?
See that chain around the neck,
I don't even have to tell you nothing, I don't even have to say nothing, I'm supposed to know already. 6. 6. Good there. Right, let's sprinkle the party in there again, watch out. Them french fries are bad. I know the time we all been waiting for. Yo, this big, you know, just have a bite right tonight. Burn me.
What you doing? What's poppin'?
Okay, night building, guys. Straight forward. We vlogging.
Ooh, what you eat? Can I have?
Ackee pizza.
Oh, we lit.
One over there, so. Teeth pizza, a Chabas one. Know what I mean? So, yeah.
That sauce tastes good.
The sauce tastes good, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I mean, make it look like, you know. We base something, just had that base something to it.
Ooh.
Okay, say sauce, but CK happy already.
Yeah, what you
Shit.
gonna play?
Yeah, man. Yeah. This bad, man. Yo, it's too bad.
You suck
Me tell people say me eat fast, but they always not believe me. Yo.
You is nasty.
And the piece of hot too, you know. Yo, me should have cut it, but me don't want to cut it.
You should cut it.
Me should have cut it though.
Yeah.
Bone me again. Alright, you know me I go do me now lift it up. Me I dry it closer like so. Oh. Yo, me can't wait till it cool, yo. When you come here?
You should see me over here.
Yeah, trouble.
You should it's Ackee. It's Ackee.
Go see what they run there, dude, right?
I already got it, thank God. There goes my spice right here.
Okay, get a nice little size.
Yeah.
Then me have some nice little fries in bud. I prepare them with love.
Curly fries.
With very love. I curl them myself. Yes, you know. So just put up on the water there. Chabas down on the car. Chabas supposed to go at the studio today. So Chabas forward in.
You gonna cook up something you can
Yeah, them I make some eat. No, me have game to play. So we there and we are consuming. What me do over here, sir? Bombat. I hope I have something supposed to do.
And I'm over here with this. Who wanna come with?
Cup soup. Yo, come over here with cup soup.
No, but you know I had stuff at my cousin's house. You right there. So I said, okay, let me give her one link.
Yeah.
And I go one link.
Good. Okay, now do it. Me tell you, I'm not cool. I go right off.
Okay, let me see how this goes. Let me see. Now.
6.
So where the Ackee came from?
Tinaki.
God is good, God is great. Let's thank you for our food. Jesus' name. You have prayer for your food?
You me? Like sometimes. Sometimes I forgot.
Wow.
But though.
Forgive him, God.
Can I mess up a place?
Because they watching me, that's why.
Don't watch Kay. So she can eat in peace. You see the sauce? It's a little bit of parsley. With a me just tell you some ingredients now. With a cayenne pepper. Where you see the mayonnaise when we mix it with is vegan mayonnaise. So it's actually healthy. You can eat as much as you want, right?
And I thought y'all was over here having an IG party. An IG party.
We done liquor oil.
Oh.
We just done liquor oil and Chabas mother called and switch over.
So this is after the party vibes.
Yeah.
Nice. Take time now. This shit goes down.
But though, Ackee pizza, I tell them about it, you know, but what people know.
You was the one that told me about it. He put me on to this.
He the one that put me on. I'm like, what?
What if people not really, you know? 6. Yeah. You know what the funniest thing? Normally when I taste my food, remember I say, so I sit down and do all of them so me and them Sonia. Now why you do all of them Sonia if people know say the food I not fooling it. Because sometimes they think me overdo it when me cook me overdo it and
you know somebody had asked me about your food?
Yeah.
Somebody asked me about famous food. Hey, is it really that good? Yes, it is.
Wanna see? Yeah.
It is. It's bust down.
Yeah.
Like this, we supposed to do a mukbang with this.
That what we do. We'll set it up and do it. Like Jamaican food, real.
He gonna give me wings and fries. I forgot I was eating.
Chabas want to do American style and wings and fries. Jamaican, if you want it, Ackee pizza.
Now this gonna be a mukbang.
Not bad. When Chabas said that, the people ain't say they know why you're pronouncing no more. That's why I don't say it, you know.
I think he said wrong, but I don't know what I'm saying.
I don't know. See,
I call it the food challenge.
The food challenge.
That's what I said. And he said that's not what it's called. I said shit.
Me not pronounce it. Me no want even attempt it.
How you say it?
Me don't know.
Well, I like food challenges. Like I like challenges.
Yo, me and you are going to be a food challenge. I can't talk right now. I'll be a food in my mouth.
I like food challenges. So give us something to do and we can talk.
Yeah, give me some things to do where we do with food. Me and Kia go in the kitchen now, so you know what I mean? We have a little segment where we call cooking with Kia Famous, you know what I mean? Yeah, we gonna chef it up. You know, see like how we did it the last time? Yeah, we're gonna do that again.
Yeah.
We're gonna hold it more of them something for them. We're gonna do hold it more of them and like make some weird stuff for them. Like some things that we never try personally. But it sound good or well, we're gonna do that more. Yeah.
Up with it.
See, you only a hear from me this time, cause you know always a hear from me. More people say it can't be that good because me sit down, me just exaggerate. K just lick the whole of your finger there. Me a lick
and me just reach and look what I come with.
Cup soup.
Cup soup.
And that's true, Chabas tell me say I got a studio to, you know, cause I make a next one. I just left it for you. Next time you make it, you just forward. I will just make it together. My camera look blurry though. Sorry, I apologize if all of this blurry. Blessings and respect to everybody who tune in. You know what I mean? Ackee Pizza, what you say about it, K?
Good.
Alright. Everything but my G's blessings and respect for father and you know, Ackee Pizza. We're gonna make it more. As I said, we're gonna do a segment cooking with K and Famous. We're just gonna try one heap of thing. And you can remember what me on the talk. Just comment in the comment section below and tell me some things where you don't want to see we try or when you want to see we cook or whatever. Bake or, because we can do a heap of baking video too. So yeah, we're gonna do a heap of baking video. We're gonna be a thing. Just watch. Just watch. I'm gonna buy some vegan hot dog too.
Well,
the hot dog itself. Yeah, I try be a vegan things. I go all out with the people, so blessings and respect for come out and watch a video, yeah. You know what I mean? Okay, what you tell them say?
it was too good. I can't talk right now.
Yeah, mad move. Up it.